We're gonna make young green jackfruit curry today. For that, we're gonna add some oil in a pan and stir fry pandan leaves, few curry leaves, like around 10 curry leaves, cloves, 4 cardamom, a cinnamon stick, and also an onion sprinkled with salt. We're going to take it aside and add some more oil and fry some coriander seeds and cumin seeds. We're going to fry the raw curry powder and the chili powder. We're going to use a can of young green jackfruit. I cut the pieces in half. I'm gonna add some turmeric, some moldy fish, and black pepper, and also the rest of the ingredient that we fried, and some onions. I'm gonna take a cup of whole milk and I'm gonna pour it into my curry and warm it up. Before this, I'm gonna boil it with just water. Just keep boiling it and cook it through. Thank you. Take care.